So now 18, 17 students are there. So let us begin. So what we discussed till now, that is 5, 6 transactions we have discussed. So first of all, you note one question, then we will go ahead. First you solve one question, and then we will go ahead for the next entries. Okay. So all of you note it. Open your notebook and please note. So transactions, record the following transactions. Record the following transactions in journal. Record the following transactions in journal of Anil Kumar. Record the following transactions in journal of Anil Kumar. Year 2019, 2019, January 1st, January 1st. Started business, started business with cash rupees 2 lakh. Started business with cash rupees 2 lakh and furniture worth rupees 1 lakh. Started business with cash rupees 2 lakh and furniture worth rupees 1 lakh. Okay. January 5. Next transaction, January 5. January 5. Purchased a machine 50,000. Purchased a machine for rupees 50,000. Purchased a machine for rupees 50,000. January 10. January 10. Purchased goods. Purchased goods from Kamal Kishore. Purchased goods from Kamal Kishore for rupees 20,000. Purchased goods from Kamal Kishore for rupees 20,000. January 15. Sold goods. Sold goods to. Sold goods to Dinesh. Sold goods to Dinesh for rupees 30,000 for cash. Sold goods to Dinesh for rupees 30,000 for cash. January 22. January 22. Dinesh returned. Dinesh returned goods for
सर
rupees.
इससे
जी
सर इससे पहले वाले की आपने डेट नहीं बताई।
पहले की डेट नहीं बताई थी। उससे पहले की डेट क्या थी?
नो सर।
उससे पहले वाली की क्या थी?
जनवरी 10।
उससे पहले उसके बाद की 15 का थी 15 ना।
जनवरी 15।
सेल्स वाले की 15 है, सेल्स रिटर्न की 22 है। ठीक है। 22 दिनेश रिटर्न गुड्स फॉर रुपीज 5,000। 5,000। हाँ भाई, कितने लोग का हो गया? ओके।
सर मेरा हो गया।
हाँ, फर्स्ट एंट्री पूर्वी, टेल मी।
सर मेरा भी हो गया।
हाँ, फर्स्ट एंट्री पूरी बताओ।
Yes, sir. Sir, date है 2019 January 1st.
हम्म।
Cash account to capital account to furniture account.
ओके, अदिति समाधिया, सेम एंट्री। अदिति समाधिया, फर्स्ट एंट्री। अदिति इज नॉट लिसनिंग। अदिति सोनी, फर्स्ट एंट्री।
सर मेरी थोड़ी अलग है इससे।
Sir, 2019 January 1st.
हम्म।
Sir, एक मिनट.
ओके
Cash account debit to capital account or
Okay.
being business started.
अदिति समाधिया, कैन यू लिसन? नहीं है। अच्छा, अनुज सिंघल है क्या? भूमि जैन, भूमि, फर्स्ट एंट्री। भूमि, आर यू देयर?
Yes, sir.
व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट एंट्री?
Sir, first entry
जी जी
on January 1st.
जी, यस यस।
Cash account diverted to furniture account.
ओके। चैतन्य साहू, आर यू देयर? चैतन्य है क्या? नहीं है। दक्ष, दक्ष जैन।
यस सर।
तो टेल मी फर्स्ट एंट्री।
कैश अकाउंट डेबिटेड टू कैपिटल अकाउंट।
ओके, देसना जैन,
Yes, sir.
फर्स्ट एंट्री।
Sir, cash account debited to capital account.
ओके ओके। दिव्या काका,
So cash account to furniture account.
okay, now see, in this transaction business is started with two things, है ना,
Sir.
as I discussed already. Okay, yes,
Sir. सर
yes,
ये
please.
ऐसा नहीं होगा क्या कि कैश अकाउंट डेबिट फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैपिटल अकाउंट?
ऐसा ही होगा, यही सही एंट्री है ना? अभी तक जो बताया वो सब गड़बड़ते हैं, है ना? तो बिजनेस इज स्टार्टेड विद टू थिंग्स, कैश एंड फर्नीचर. So as I said, it is not compulsory to start only with cash. It can be started with other assets also. So whatever assets are coming in the business, they all will be debited. So cash account debit, I think 2 lakh rupees, है ना? Cash is how much? Cash is 2 lakh. So cash account debit 2 lakh. Furniture account debit 1 lakh. Okay. 2 capital account 3 lakh. ना 2 plus 1 3 lakh. Cash account debit, furniture account debit, 2 capital account. Being business started with cash and furniture, है ना? Business started with cash and furniture. Was it clear? So here business is started with two things, cash and furniture. So both the assets will be debited, cash account will be debited, and furniture account will be credited. So total capital will be 3 lakh. 20 will be cash account debit, furniture account debit to capital account. Okay. Now, Ms. Kushi Gupta, are you there? Kushi,
So
can you tell the second entry? Okay. This Kanak Gurjar is there? कनक है क्या? नहीं है।
Yes, sir. Yes,
हाँ,
yes.
कनक बताओ, सेकंड एंट्री बताओ।
Sir, machine account debited to cash account.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। मशीनरी अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट, है ना? बोथ आर रियल अकाउंट. डेबिट what comes in and credit what goes out. Machine is coming so debit and cash is going out so credit. So machinery account debit to cash account, है ना? Entry will be machinery account debit to cash account being machine purchase for cash. Okay, very good beta. Machinery account debit to cash account. Okay. Now after this Kusagra, are you there Kusagra? कनिष्का चौहान, सॉरी, बिफोर कुसाग कनिष्का चौहान. कनिष्का है क्या? नहीं है. कुशाग्र, कुशाग्र, आर यू देयर? नो. Sagar is also not there. Let me see who is there. Okay. कनक के बाद खुशी गुप्ता, खुशी का मुस्कान भार्गव. Okay, मुस्कान, third entry. What is the transaction? Can someone read?
Purchase golden down Kamal Kishore for rupees 20,000.
Okay, so it's Muskan's turn. Muskan, what is the entry? Have you passed the entry? Okay, no problem. Purvi. Okay, tell me, don't worry. No problem. गलत होगा सही होगा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. बताओ बताओ जो किया बताओ. कोई बात नहीं है, गलत होने दो, उससे क्या है ना?
Purchase account to Kamal Kishore's account.
Please repeat.
Purchase account debit to Kamal Kishore's account.
Very good, बहुत बढ़िया, सही तो किया तुमने एंट्री. परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट है ना, गुड्स आर परचेज and it is credit purchase है ना, because cash is not given, party's name is given, so purchase account debit to Kamal Kishore. Very good. Purchase account debit to Kamal Kishore. Good. After Purvi, next one is the Prakhar Maheshwari. Prakhar, next entry.
Yes, sir. Dinesh.
Next transaction. You are
Sold
not
goods
audible.
to Dinesh.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही बेटा. प्रखर थोड़ा पास आके बोलो, माइक के पास बोलो.
Sold goods to Dinesh for rupees 30,000 for cash.
Yes, please. What is the
Dinesh
entry?
to cash account.
Dinesh to cash account. Okay. Sambhav Jain, same entry. Can you tell? Sambhav Jain. Sambhav, are you there? Okay. Sambhav is not there. Shivam Parikh.
Yes, sir.
Oh, same transaction.
Yes, sir. Dinesh account debit to cash account.
Okay. Which two accounts are involved in this transaction?
Sir, cash and goods.
Cash and
Personal account and real account.
okay. Real account means which account?
Cash.
रियल में कौन?
Cash.
रियल में कौन सा? कैश.
Cash,
और दूसरा? ओके. पर्सनल अकाउंट कौन
And
सा है?
personal account.
Dinesh.
Okay, okay.
Personal
Vaishnavi
account.
Bhargav, can you say what is the entry? No. वर्षा
सर
वास्त्री.
मैं बताऊं?
हाँ,
सर,
एक
मैं
मिनट, वर्षा का
बताऊं?
नंबर. हाँ, वर्षा को बताने दो, उसका कोई बता सकता है. वर्षा, आपका नंबर है. वर्षा. वर्षा नहीं है. हाँ, बताओ कौन बताना चाह रहा है.
सर मैं बताती हूँ. सर
हाँ जी,
कैश
बोलिए.
अकाउंट डेबिट टू सेल्स अकाउंट.
Very good, excellent. So it is a credit transaction. It's a cash transaction. Sorry, है ना. So two account involved are cash account and sales account. Nothing to do with the person. है ना. It's a cash transaction. So personal account has to do nothing. The two accounts involved are cash account and sales account. So cash is coming in the business, so cash account debited, and goods are going out of the business, or you can say increase in income is credited, so sales account will be credited. So cash account debit to sales account. Very good. है ना. Goods sold to someone for cash, so cash account debit to sales account. Okay. Again, Aditi, your number. Aditi Samadia. Next transaction for you. What is the next transaction?
Sir, it is on January 22, Dinesh returned goods of rupees 5,000.
Okay.
The entry will be sales return account debit to Dinesh account.
Sales
Dinesh.
return account debit to Dinesh. That is sufficient. To Dinesh, है ना. Yeah, Dinesh apostrophe S, है ना. Dinesh account, है ना. That is a tradition. So in front of names we don't write account, है ना. So sales return account debit to Dinesh. It is the opposite entry of credit sales. So it is a decrease in income, है ना. Decrease in revenues. Sales return is the decrease in revenues, so debited, and decrease in debtor also. That's why it is credited. Assets are decreasing. That's why it is credited. So Dinesh, sales return account debit to Dinesh. Very good. Excellent. Aditi Soni, next is your number. What is the transaction?
Sir, ये last entry है.
Yes. Next transaction.
Sir, this was
Sir, this was the last transaction.
No, after return, I think one more transaction is there.
No, sir.
no,
No, sir.
No, sir.
I think rent paid in cash, rent paid rupees 5,000. This transaction I नहीं था क्या?
नहीं सर,
सर वो डिस्काउंट आउट था।
Okay. So लिखिए rent paid 5,000.
सर डेट क्या है?
Date कुछ भी लिख दो, 27 लिख दो. Rent paid rupees 5,000. आदिति आपका नंबर है, बताइए.
सर रेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट।
Okay, good. Rent account debit to cash account. Rent is nominal account. Expense is debited. Debit the expenses. So rent is the expense. So debit. And cash is going out. So cash account credit. Or decrease in assets. है Rent account debit to cash account. Okay, so these are some initial entries. So you are able to understand basic entries, core entries. Okay. So after this, we have to discuss some more entries. So let me share the screen so that we can see. Okay. What is here? Now see here. So now some more transactions are there. First to write drawings, DRAWINGS, drawings. Okay. Who will define the drawings? Can you define drawings? What are drawings? We have discussed the meaning of drawings.
Money taken for personal use.
Okay, good. Cash or goods taken by proprietor from business for his personal use. Okay. So that's why it is called drawings. So I have already told you in the beginning that there are two accounts which represent the businessman. So they are called as representative personal accounts. है ना? Which two accounts are the representative of businessman?
Capital account and drawings
Capital
account.
account and drawing.
Very good. Capital account and drawings account are the representatives of businessman. So whenever businessman invest money or anything that is credited to capital account, and whenever businessman takes something from business, so businessman is the receiver. So businessman's account should be debited. But in place of debiting businessman's account, we debit uh, drawings account. है ना? So whenever businessman takes something from business,
निकालो देख लो एक बार
सर आपका माइक बंद है.
Write one more transaction. Goods distributed as free samples. Goods distributed as free samples. Okay. What are these goods? Sometimes businessmen distribute goods as samples for advertisement purpose. है ना? So for advertisement purpose, some goods are distributed among the customers without charging any money, free of cost, as samples. Okay. So this is considered as the part of cost of advertising. So whenever goods are distributed as free samples, be debit advertisement expenses account debit. है ना? So write the entry advertisement expenses account debit. Okay, because it is the expense nominal account, and to purchase account. It reduces the purchase. So purchase account will be credited to purchase account. Advertisement expenses account debit to purchase account. Goods distributed as free samples. So advertisement expenses account debit to purchase account. Now, one more transaction. Next transaction, goods lost by fire or theft. Goods lost by fire or theft. Goods lost by fire oblique theft. So again, all the losses are debited, according to nominal account. So loss by fire account debit. Loss by fire account debit. Loss by fire oblique theft you can write. Whatever is the loss, write the name. If it is loss by fire account will be debited. If it is loss by theft, then loss by theft account will be debited. So loss by fire oblique theft account debit to purchase account. To purchase account. Loss by fire or theft account debit to purchase account. Okay. Purchase is again reduced because of goods lost by fire or some of the goods are stolen, then purchase account will be credited. Now there is a possibility that the firm has taken insurance policy. So if goods are lost by fire or stolen, in that case, if insurance had been taken, then we can make a claim with the insurance company. So if in case of insured goods, we will make the claim for compensation. Okay, so next entry will be to make a claim with insurance company. To make a claim with insurance company, entry will be insurance company debit to loss by fire oblique theft account. Insurance company debit to loss by fire oblique theft account. Okay. So this is with the amount the claim accepted by insurance company. So for whatever amount insurance company accept the claim, maybe sometimes insurance company accept the claim for the full loss, or sometimes they may accept the claim for little less amount, not for the full amount, but never for the more amount. It will not be more than the actual loss. It will always be either equal to the actual loss or less than the actual loss. So with whatever amount insurance company accept the claim, this entry will be passed with that amount, that is insurance company debit to loss by fire account or loss by theft account. Okay. So after some time, insurance company can make the payment to us. So next entry will be to receive payment from insurance company. To receive payment from insurance company for compensation. To receive payment from insurance company for compensation.
So to receive
Payment from insurance company for compensation. So cash or bank account debit. If they pay in cash, rarely they pay in cash. Usually they pay by check. So bank account, है ना? So cash account oblique bank account debit to insurance company. Cash account debit, cash or bank account debit, cash oblique bank account debit to insurance company. Okay. So now there is possibility that some of the goods are taken by proprietor or some cash is taken by proprietor from business for his personal use. That is known as drawings. So drawings account will be debited, and if cash is taken, then cash account will be credited, and if goods are taken, then purchase account will be credited. Then there is a possibility that some of the goods are distributed as free samples among the customers. So if goods are distributed as free samples, that is a part of advertising of the company. So advertisement expenses account will be debited and purchase account will be credited. And some of the goods may be lost by fire or theft. In case of any loss, all the losses will be debited according to nominal account. So loss by fire account debit or loss by theft account debit to purchase account. There is a possibility of there if cash is stolen, so same entry will be there. So what will be the entry? Loss by theft account debit to cash account. So you understand the basic concept. Any loss will be debited and whatever is lost will be credited. If cash is stolen, then loss by theft account debit to cash account. You can write the entry also. Loss by theft account debit to cash account. Cash is stolen by thieves, then what will be the entry? Cash account debit, sorry, loss by theft account debit to cash account. Okay. Then if we have the insurance, insurance is taken. Insurance is a device against the risk. So we know that there is risk of loss by fire, risk of loss by theft. I think in various studies we have discussed. If someone of you can remember, there are two types of risk. Who can tell two types of risk? This chapter we have,
Speculative risks and pure risks.
very good, excellent.
Sir,
Speculative
first
risk and
chapter.
pure. Speculative risk and pure risk. So this risk of loss by fire is which category? It will come in which category? Speculative risk or pure risk? Okay,
Sir,
good,
pure
very good.
risk.
It's a pure risk, and pure risk can be insured. A speculative risk cannot be insured. What this pure risk means? There is a possibility of loss or no loss. There is a possibility of loss or no loss, that is called pure risk. So here is a possibility of either loss by theft or no theft. So that is a possibility of loss or no loss. So in this case, we can take the insurance. So if insurance company has taken a policy, then whenever loss take place, we will make a claim with the insurance company. We will ask the insurance company to compensate us for our losses. Then insurance company will evaluate the losses. They will search, they will find out, they will get the FIR copy. They will send their people to what we say investigate that what is the actual loss, and they will decide that how much is the actual loss and what claims should be accepted. So on the basis of fact provided by us and on the basis of their survey, they will decide that what is the actual loss and they will accept the claim. So if they accept the claim, the insurance company become the debtor. They become liable to pay. So we debit them. So insurance company debit to loss by fire because our loss is covered. It is reduced up to the amount accepted by the insurance company. So that will not remain a loss. 10,000 का लॉस हुआ, उन्होंने 10,000 का क्लेम एक्सेप्ट कर ली, तो लॉस बचा क्या हमारा? That loss is diluted. It is accepted by insurance company. So now there is no loss. So loss is cancelled. So then insurance company is liable, and when they pay the money, after some time they make the payment of the claim, then we will receive the money. So cash will come or check will come from the insurance company. So cash or bank account debit to insurance company. This way this loss will be settled. If there is no insurance, then whole amount will go to the loss. So if we have got the insurance, we can make a claim and we can get compensation from insurance company. But if the firm has not taken any insurance policy, then they cannot claim and they will not get any compensation. Whatever is the loss that firm has to face. Okay, so that is the loss by fire or loss by theft. And write one more entry, then we will conclude. That is the bad debts. Bad debts. DEBTS. Bad debts. So this bad debts, complete name is bad debtors. Its full form is the bad debtors. So all of you know debtors. Who are the debtors? Sairam.
So from whom we have to receive money.
Before in the previous class we discussed credit sales. So when we sell goods on credit, these people are called debtors, or debtors. Debtors are the persons from whom we have to receive money for credit sales of goods or supply of services. So some of the debtors, so what are the debtors? Basically, they are the persons who has promised to pay the money in future. That is their real status. So we sold goods to them on credit, and they have made a promise that we will pay your money back after some time, maybe after 15 days or 10 days or a month or 2 months after that. So what happens? We wait for them. They will come and return our money back, but sometimes they don't come back. We send them reminders, but still they don't come back. 1 year is over, 2 years are over, but they never come back. So we decide that these people will not come back. So better to close their accounts by accepting this amount as a loss. Whatever amount was to be taken from them, we take it as a loss because there is no possibility that these people come back and pay our money. Okay. So in place of continuing their account in the books unnecessarily for many years, we write it off. It is called writing off. WRITING, writing off. OFF. No, writing off of bad debts. So we write it off as bad debts. So bad debts is a loss basically, and it's a loss because our money is not recovered. It's a loss. So losses are debited. So bad debts account debit to debtor or customer's account. Bad debts account debit to debtor or customer. जिसका नाम जिससे पैसा लेना था उसको क्रेडिट कर देंगे. Without getting money, we credit the account of that person from whom we had to receive money. So bad debts account debit to debtor or customer. Okay. So this much. Now you can get some, if you have some book, NCERT book or any other book, you can solve some problems or questions related entries. This much entries, whatever we have discussed, you can try to practice. From maybe from examples or from exercise. So you try to solve these entries: commencement of business, purchase of assets, purchase and sale of goods, expenses or incomes, or this loss by fire, loss by theft. This many entries you can practice. Okay. So then we will discuss in the next class. Tomorrow, I think what class we have, BS or accountancy? Which one class we will have? Tomorrow
Yes.
we have BS. So I have 2 BS tomorrow. One is 12th BS and okay. So tomorrow we will discuss BS. By that time you practice. Then we will discuss in the next class on Wednesday. Okay. So if you want to ask anything, you can ask. Otherwise, we will call it. If any of you have any doubt, you can ask.
सर
हाँ जी.
सर वो जो टू मेक अ क्लेम विथ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी था, उसमें इंश्योरेंस कंपनी तो आर्टिफिशियल पर्सन है, तो उसे पर्सनल अकाउंट के रूल से तो उसे क्रेडिट होना चाहिए, क्रेडिट द गिवर.
नहीं, इंश्योरेंस कंपनी विल बी द गिवर, है ना. दे आर द डेटर्स, वी आर मेकिंग देम डेटर्स, है ना. They are accepting our claim means they are accepting that we will, it's like a